Looks like it's locked down now. We'll see how long that spring lasts. Yeah, it's locked. This is the original spring. Broke. I found 3 of these springs in my save for later piles. These are actually, I believe, off of might be off of Festiva rear brakes. So they're probably pretty crusty. We'll see how long they last. This was the fastener that was broke when I was taking the assembly out. But luckily I had a whole tray of ones that are similar to this. They don't have this threaded hole. They just have 2 bent pieces with a hole in the middle, and they grab the threads. They're not, this is different. This is one's too big, but so I replaced the clip fastener, and I got 2 extra screws or springs. But usually Ace Hardware has a pretty good supply of general springs. I'll have to, next time I'm in Ace, I'll have to see if there's one like this.